Hey guys, what's up? November 12th, 2019. Standing in front of Community Garden here in Arcata at 11th and F Street. It's my first time here. I just wanted to check it out and get it on camera. It's pretty cool. Kind of right in the middle of the town center. Let's go in and take a look around. In my opinion, there can never be enough community gardens. Eureka's got a few, but I don't know how many Arcata's got. This is really the first one I noticed since I moved here in March. So despite taking botany several years ago at HSU, I really still don't know much about plants and veggies. I mean, I know the basics, but I don't know what certain things are just by looking at them. So maybe you guys can help out with that. Lettuce, kale, tomatoes, just a few of the things that I've noticed. Here's the tomatoes. It's a pretty color. You know, despite not knowing much about gardening, I'd still love to do it someday. Get my own slice of paradise, my own little piece of land to play on. That'd be a lot of fun. Just grow like basic stuff. Maybe have an apple tree or something. That would be awesome. See what we have down here. I think these are very pretty here. I think this is the lettuce or kale, cabbage, one of those things. Let me check out this sort of hill up here real quick. See what they've got going over here. Those are pretty. I think this might be sage or something. Rosemary, maybe? Herb Hollow. This would be like the herb garden. Smells very nice over here right now. Very kind of sweet and earthy. Thank you, Garden and Wellness community, for all of you, for all you do and all your hard work. And that wraps up our tour of the 11th and 7th, I'm sorry, the 11th and F Street garden here in Arcata. Peace out.